Can I lose more than I invest in options? This is a fear-based question that is critical to address up front, so here I am. Here's the scary question that stops a lot of people from trading options. Can I actually lose more than I invest? The answer is both simple and really important. It depends on how you trade. Let's break it down so you know exactly what's at risk before you ever place a trade. Are you ready? Let's go. The safe side, buying options. When you buy an option, whether it's a call or a put, the maximum you can lose is what you paid for that contract. For example, you buy a call option for $200. Worst case scenario, that option expires worthless and you lose $200. That's it. You can't lose more than that. This is why beginners usually start with buying stock options. Your risk is limited and defined upfront, so you know exactly what you're going to lose. The riskier side though, selling options. Now, here's where it gets dangerous. Selling options, also called writing options. If you sell a call option without owning the stock, called a naked call, and the stock price skyrockets, your losses are technically unlimited. Example, you sell a call on Tesla at $200 thinking it won't go higher. If Tesla jumps with an Elon tweet to $300, you could owe thousands because you're on the hook to sell shares you don't even have. This is why brokers often require a lot of capital and approval levels before you're allowed to sell naked options. That risk is huge if you think about it. You want to know the middle ground, selling options with protection, but not all selling is unlimited risk. If you sell a covered call, meaning you already own 100 shares of the stock, the worst case is you just have to sell the shares at the strike price of which you sold. If you sell a cash secured put, the worst case is you have to buy the stock at the agreed price, which you should already have cash set aside for. All right. So these are strategies that limit risk and are much safer than the naked options. All right. So here's the big picture. Buying options equals you can't lose more than what you paid. You got that? Okay. Selling covered or cash secured options equal limited risk. Got it? Got it. Selling naked options, that's where you can lose way more than you invest, even unlimited in theory. So there you have it. That's why the can I lose more than I invest question is so important and open. The answer is yes, but only if you're playing on the advanced side without options protection. Got it. Got it. If you're a beginner, stick to buying options or using strategies with a defined risk. That way, you'll never wake up to a margin call or a blown up account. In my next video, I'll show you the safest beginner option strategy that limits risk but still gives you good upside. Subscribe so you don't miss. You have a blessed one. Catch me on the next one. Beast Mode out.